Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this captivating video, we are delving into the realm of texture wall design ideas to elevate your interior space to new heights of style and sophistication. From rustic charm to contemporary chic, we will explore a diverse array of textures that add depth and character to your walls. Prepare to be inspired as we showcase techniques such as texture paint finishes, integrate wallpaper patterns, natural stone cladding, and innovative 3D wall panels. Learn how to create focal points, accurate architectural features, and infuse personalities into any room with the power of texture. Whether you are aiming for a cozy atmosphere in your living room, a luxurious ambience in your bedroom, or a modern vibe in your office, we have got you covered. Join us on this design journey as we unveil the secrets of achieving stunning texture wall designs that will leave a lasting impression. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.